There are those who will stay within the limits. They will not go beyond the rated capacity. They will not go beyond the voltages. They will not go beyond the amperes. They will not even delve into trying other methods because unang-una, they don't know. Pangalawa, they have never seen anyone like it or who did it the way they thought or they imagined. No one. So syempre takot sila. And there are those naman who are the professionals. By profession, they are governed by standards. So pagka may mga standard, they stay within the standard kasi they were taught by schools and by instructors and coaches kung paano gawin ang isang bagay. Pero and then okay naman yon, wala namang masama doon. Actually, dapat you respect the limits. I agree with that. Pero what if the person already learned the limits? What if the person already knows the standards and the limitations and will you say na expert na yon? Hindi, definitely not. Hindi siya expert. Pero nakakaintindi siya. Kasi sa totoo naman, wala naman talagang pwede maging expert eh. Perfection yun. So wala talagang perfecto. Ano lang, may alam lang at marunong lang. So yung taong marunong at may alam, syempre in quest of knowledge, in quest of other, baka meron pang much higher than that, he went into experimentation. So nagkaroon na siya ng idea ng mga theory formulations kung what if, yan yung mga what if na niya. So doon na nagkakaroon ng curiosity, pumapasok. Nagtry siya ngayon na ang ginawa niya, nagtry siya, what if ganito, baliktarin ko yung ganun, baliktarin ko yung ibang mga parameters ng system. What if dinalaw ako, what if ginanon ko. And then syempre, because alam niya yung standard, alam niya yung limitations, alam din niya that there will be risk, maaaring sumabog, maaaring hindi mag-work, maaaring ito na yung magiging downfall ng system at masira na lahat. So hindi siya afraid na ma-observe yung mga ganon. Okay? Kasi ano ba yung difference ng DIYer sa professional na sinasabi nilang expert? Pero actually wala naman talagang expert. Okay? Ano ba talaga daw difference ng dalawang yon? Sabi ko, wala naman. Parehas naman silang marunong. Sabi ko ganon. Nagkataon lang na yung isa hindi takot, yung isa takot. Yung isa may gustong ma-prove, yung isa has already proven. Ay, hanggang dun na lang ibig sabihin. Ayaw na niya mag-step forward pa. To take another step or to go the extra mile or to go the road less taken, kumbaga. Ayan. To venture out, to discover. Hindi, merong ganun eh. So, para sa akin, I respect both. DIYer ka man or professional ka man, pare-parehas naman natin alam kung ano yun mga yon. Ngayon, it's up to you na. If you want to take the risk, go ahead. Learn. Go ahead. Observe what will happen.
May washer daw po kayo kahit dalawa.
Washer?
Sabi po ni Daddy.
Titignan ko ha.
Sige po.
Yon. So, ganun eh. Ganun yung ano. So, I respect both. Kasi baka mamaya sabihin, DIYer ka lang. Pero ako, professional ako. Walang ganunan. Parehas natin alam yan yung sinasabi mo eh. Eh ano naman kung DIYer ako? Eh ano naman if I'm trying a lot of things without ano? Eh ano naman? If you really know what you're doing, you will respect eh. Kasi masasabi mo, eventually this person will learn. And eventually, let him learn the hard way kung gusto niya yung ganun. Hayaan mo sila. You can advise them, pero it's only up to there lang. Give the advice. If you do that, this will happen. If you do that, this will happen. So, ang maganda, kaysa sa if you do that, this will happen, and if you do that, this will happen, you make a video about it and show it to them. That it really happened the way you say it is. If not, then let them explore kung ano yung idea nila. Do not hinder. Let them. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun lang ang ano ko. Bye!